now. Got the stream running. Good morning, good morning. Hello, YouTube. Hello, Discord. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Bullish Bears live stream channel. It is Friday, the 15th, September 15th. Been a pretty good trading week all around. Got a few good setups we're watching today. There's that 30-minute on ES. Do you think we're just going to keep selling right through that? Did we have any pre-market news? Or are we just selling
Yeah,
off? Yeah, what was the pre-market news?
we had this morning import prices, Fed manufacturing. There was a bunch of stuff at 8:30. At 9:15, there's some crap. And then
Gotcha.
10 o'clock is the next one.
Holy cow. Look at this
Yeah,
sell-off.
we're going to 45.35.
Nice.
There's a bar gap to close at that level that we
Yeah, I like
never
45.29 too. Look at that. That's
Yeah,
something, man.
45.29 is 45.28 was yesterday's low.
Nice, nice, nice. No, 45.28? Oh yeah, I'm looking at Wednesday. Yeah, Thursday.
Yeah,
Yep.
45.28 was yesterday's low.
Well, I mean, if
I
you're
mean,
going
this could be,
pre-market, yesterday's low was 45.22.
yeah, now I'm looking at the RTH chart because
Hmm.
we're about to open.
Now, see, we're looking at futures, so we're looking at all of futures. That's how I see it. I don't know, man. But if it works for you that you look at RTH with ES, that's cool too. Ain't nothing wrong with it. There's always different ways to read the market, always different ways to trade. Never poo poo on somebody because you don't know what they have been back testing, what trading strategy they use. And again, everything works different for everybody. It's all about finding a niche or a trading style that works for you.
Yeah, I shared one of my special tools that I used yesterday with the group. So
A
hopefully people
nice.
that have TOS can benefit from that.
That's cool. I thought I saw. Where was that? I think I missed. Oh, is it the one that Jeremy shared too?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's dope. Very dope.
two
What was I
minutes,
looking?
2 minutes.
Oh, yes,
Oh,
announcement wise. So, first announcement is Apex Trader and Bullish Bears are doing a little bit of a partnership, which is pretty dope. So we're going to be having our own personal Bullish Bears discount code. So if anybody here uses Apex Funded Trader, which I do recommend a lot of beginners start with, a lot of people who want to get into futures start with, because it does have a lot of great benefits. Make sure you sign up with Apex, but use the discount code Bullish Bears. You get whatever their up to date sale is. So if they're running an 80% off, Bullish Bears will get you that 80% off. If they're running 50% off, gets you the 50% off, and so on. So it's really cool. Keeps you updated on whatever the best sale is. And when Bullish Bears ourselves has like anniversaries or special events, we're able to have specific sales when they're not having a sale. So if they're only running a 50% off, but we're having an event, I could contact them. So I made a bit of a connection with somebody there, and he said, if we're ever having some type of event, we're able to then get like a 75% off for that weekend or something, special just for you guys, which is like super awesome. So that's that. Second announcement is also Apex related. We are going to be having that webinar tomorrow at 6 p.m. I'm having Cameron, who is the operations manager over at Apex. He is going to be in for the event, and he's going to be showing us and talking to us, doing some Q&A, and explaining what exactly Apex Trader is. So it's going to be a really great webinar. Hope you guys tune in. Alright, I'm looking for a rejection off this key level right here. Quite the market right now. Looks like sellers are just like, hey, we're here. Let's go. But that's what the market's been doing lately, like every morning, is it looks super bearish, but we're in like, or no, I'll tell you what we've been doing lately is we've been opening, looking bullish, and then we sell off from a supply zone, and that's what we've been seeing. But then we've been getting pops, right? All these dips have been getting bought, so that's what I'm waiting for. I want to see if bulls want to stay in play, or are we going to have an inside show you guys what I'm looking at too. An inside week where, but you see how NASDAQ sort of has this basing candle. I want this to rally higher. Same with ES. ES had the basing candle. We were inside all week till we popped yesterday. And now it looks like we're trying to push higher as well. So I am curious and interested in some long positions. Maybe grab one here, stop loss at the lows. But that would be counter trend trading based off of this previous drop we had. So the market is open, and we're just going to let it do its thing, let it come to us, see if we get any type of trade setup that we had that I posted in the watch list section. Nice pop on the VIX. 311 in this 5 minute. Let's see. It is a new 15-minute too, it's a new 30-minute too, and when we look at those charts, those look extremely bearish. Definitely considering grabbing some shorts here on ES. I'd probably want to short ES before I short NASDAQ because of the weakness that ES has been presenting over NASDAQ. However, yeah, we just had a big pop and drop on Tesla right now. Getting a drop on Meta. Guys, check out Meta. We had that 30-minute supply zone up there. Look at that. That would have been our target too from a swing position from our trade plan from the weekly watch list. And now we are selling off. Yep, we're going to push lower.
Drop on Apple.
Yeah, Apple too. Huge drop. It had a gap up, filled that gap. Now it's near yesterday's VWAP, right? So this is yesterday's VWAP area. It is now holding that at the moment. Just got to stay patient on that. Netflix had a bit of a push higher. Tesla bouncing around. So I'm not shorting right here, guys, because we're at a demand zone on NASDAQ and on ES. So I really just want to stay patient for either some type of pullback and then fail off of this key level. But I don't want to go short into a demand zone, just like I wouldn't want to go long into a supply zone. Does that mean the demand zone's going to hold up? No, but it means I'm not taking that chance. It's all about chances and probability. When we trade, we want high probability trades. Definitely considering a long on NASDAQ if equities want to hold up. But Microsoft super weak, Apple super weak, Tesla super weak. Those are 3 big heads in the NASDAQ that would make me not want to go long. But we're at this demand zone. We're already wicking near it. Sort of want to start a light position there. We're wicking off it. 50 seconds left. I'm going to stay patient. Let the candle come to me. And if we get a nice liquidity grab type of candle and we close above this key level, we'd definitely consider grabbing a long position. Apple starting to wick. Meta is at an area of interest too. And again, also at yesterday's VWAP area. Got about 20 seconds in the 5 minute. But we do look weak. 15 seconds. See if we want to pop up. And ES2 in this demand zone with buyers present. Whenever I create a supplier demand zone, it's because I know there are unfilled buyer sell orders there. I'll start a NASDAQ order right here, but it's really going to be like such a tight stop loss because sellers are obviously into play right now. Yeah, I don't know about that. I don't know about that, Chief. Hey, alright. See if we gotta trap some people. Nice. I do like that VIX drop.
Yeah, I'm long them ES 45.36.
Nice. Yeah, see, getting some longs down here. We have our stop loss at the lows. But gotta remember too, sellers are present and strong right now. But buyers are trying to step in. Yo, good morning, Phoenix. What's going on? Morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Make sure you guys go back to the beginning of the video. Had a bit of an announcement to make. We got a webinar coming up this Saturday with Apex Trader. We have our Bullish Bears. Our Bullish Bears discount code is now active on Apex 2. Save 80% from now up until not next Friday, the following Friday. Yeah, I'm not liking the weakness here, but we got about 3:30 left in the 5 minute. Definitely want to let the candle close. What are equities doing? Tesla's trying to push higher. Apple with a nice push higher, guys. Check this out. Look at Apple trying to engulf that candle. That's crazy. But if Apple starts rejecting, we're probably going to have an easier drop than we would an easier pop. Got Nvidia trying to push higher. Microsoft sort of getting weaker. Yeah, got a big wick on Apple right there. Just being careful with this long position. Definitely considering closing it due to the fact we have all the selling pressure. But again, I'd also much rather let the candle close. Got 240 in the 5 minute. Yeah, I'm probably going to close this out for a small loss. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. There's a new low a day on NQ. Yep, we're just dropping and dropping. I do want to let this candle close. I'm staying patient. Should not get in a size that is too heavy that blows your account if the market goes in the opposite direction. We always want to trade lightly at first, or especially when we're getting into a trade. Size appropriately. My entry price is around here. Wait for this candle to close. ES looking pretty weak too. Again, trend being our friend. Bears have had control. Yeah, Apple, big wick lower. We are probably going to see lower here. Let's see if we get a wick back up though. We got about minute 40 in this 5 minute. And remember guys, if we got that time, the market has time to wick people out, to trick people, to go the opposite direction for a bit, then wick right back up. It's got to grab liquidity before it gives us a move. I did also like this 30-minute demand zone, which is like, it overlaps with that 30-minute demand zone. So we'll see if we come back down there too. And I'll either start a new long position, or I'll add to this current long position, depending if I stopped out or not. Looking like I'm going to have to stop out of this. Apple pushing back red. See if Apple wants to push back higher. There we go, Apple. Morning Discord, good morning everybody. Morning YouTube. Yeah, I'm gonna stop out of this just to sort of protect myself. Got 40 seconds left though. I do want to let the candle close. Yeah, we're just gonna keep pushing. Keep chugging along. Oh yeah, there we go. Alright, stopped out of that. Stopped out of that mess. I'll look for another area to re-enter. If anything, let's see if we get a bit of a wick now and see how this candle closes. How are we doing? What's the 15-minute looking like right now? Bearish. Bearish. Bears, bears, bears. Bad news, bears. Alright, we got a new candle. I do like the weakness Apple's presenting. I do like the weakness Microsoft's presenting. I'm going to try a short. Again, super light size. That was not really in the trade plan. The trade plan was more wait for a failed rally, enter short up here, and then come back down. But because of the strength sellers have now, it does look like it just wants to continue. So again, I'm just staying patient. When I start a position, I'm super light, so I have the ability to add to my winner or cut the loser short. There we go. Nice, nice, nice. Staying in it, waiting Waiting. See if we get a push through this 30-minute demand zone. 15,554 on NASDAQ. Cool. All right, getting that push. We're now at that 30-minute demand zone exactly. I do want to be careful here. I don't want to close my position yet in case we get another big dip. But part of the trade plan was a quick rejection off of that 30-minute demand zone. So let's see if we get it. Got 330 left in the 5-minute. Apple is also trying to come back higher. Just really staying patient right now. Meta selling off strong. Microsoft's popping from an area of interest. There we go. Apple's starting to give up again. Love to see it. Push us into this demand zone. Awesome. Just making back what we lost on that first one, right? Boom. Nice. Nice selling pressure. Probably look to exit down here. Or I'll look to exit into strength, right? So let's see. Let's just see what the market wants to do from here. 230 left on the 5-minute. Apple weak, Microsoft weak. Meta near an area of interest. I am going to look to exit this short position if we get one more drop. There we go. Nice. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Let's go. Alright, I am going to exit my position. Let me buy back. I got my buy order down here. Seeing that we do get one more drop. Oh, dude, it was a tick away. Alright, I'm pushing it a bit lower, my buy order, because I think, there we go. Alright, now I'm all out. Nice trade, guys. Good stuff. That's how we make it back. And then some, of course. Now I'm being, like, super patient, guys, because look, we got this 90-minute demand zone on ES. I do think we're going to get a bit of a pullback from that point. Tesla had an area of interest, Microsoft area of interest, Meta area of interest. A lot of things are at areas that I wouldn't be surprised if we got a reversal here. I'm considering a long position on ES. Really tight stop loss. Got about 40 seconds in the 5-minute. Netflix looking like it wants to push higher. What trading platform is this? This is TradingView. Get a view of our trading. I know, I gotta get in contact with TradingView and get us a bit of a partnership with them as well, because right now they're just helping. They give the Bullish Bears admins and streamers and stuff the premium, but like, Apex is willing to do a bit more than that for us, so it's like, get on board. Either you're with us or against us, right? Definitely considering getting back in this position. I'd much rather wait for a pullback, grab some liquidity, and then push back lower. What are equities doing? Nvidia's selling off strong right now. Meta selling off strong right now. Apple selling off. Yeah, it looks like we do want to continue. Really just staying patient right now. I'm watching ES right now at this zone. Alright, I'm gonna go very light in ES. Going light right here. Stop down here. Stop new low a day. I'm in long. And out. No, I'm not out yet. I didn't stop out yet. I will though if it does that one more time. Yeah, stopped out of that. Was just testing the waters in that. That's why we keep our tight stop losses, guys. VIX popping higher. New high a day on VIX. Let's try to grab some shorts one more time. See if we could ride this down. There we go. Apple pushing lower. See if that's going to help NASDAQ with a nice push lower too. Got to keep the bears happy. Bears are roaring right now, guys. Staying patient for a good entry. Always want to pull back for a good entry. Having trouble. Having trouble. VIX new high a day though. There we go. Come on, give us one more big rip lower. Really having trouble right now in the market. Sellers are having trouble continuing. Buyers are having trouble bringing us higher. Really just staying patient right now. Minute 40 left. I hate days like this where it didn't give us a pullback on this drop right there. I'm gonna let this candle close, see what we can do. VIX rejecting high a day. Minute left in the 5 minute. VIX trying to push lower. Again, about a minute left in the 5 minute. Really staying patient. Bears have had control. Apple's trying to push back higher. Meta's trying to push back higher. Microsoft is having trouble. $20 seconds left in the 5 minute. Really important to let this candle close. Definitely considering a long position down here again. I know I'm counter trend trading here, but I'm going by what we've been doing the past few days in the market. And what we've been doing is we've been selling off into a demand zone, and then we've been popping. So, yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. We'll try one more. Really super not a fan of the 15 minute though. Five minutes sort of gave us this liquidity grab candle. Yeah, buyers are not stepping in at all today. Apple looking like it's ready to sell off, but it did just have two green candles with wicks. Really staying super patient here. Bears have had control. Buyers want to step in. If buyers step in, I am expecting a strong push. Nope, nope. Sellers just keep pushing it lower. Sellers do not care. Microsoft pushing lower. Microsoft new low a day. Meta new low a day. A lot of weak equities right now. Ooh, Nvidia strong sell-off right there. Right to the bottom of an area of interest. I put a buy order right at the top of this 5-minute candle, guys, so if we do start to get a big pump, I'm going to be in it. But if we dump, I won't be in it. So just staying patient right now. Nvidia rejecting, Apple rejecting, Meta rejecting. Alright, some stocks are trying to push green. Really staying patient here though, because I don't want to counter trend trade without confirmation. Got minute 50 left in the 5-minute. Would like to see ES push higher too, obviously. Sellers ain't messing around though. Hey, good job, Tressie. Back to break even on their trade. I know they were worried about that earlier. Minute 20 left in the 5-minute. Sort of losing, I'm losing confidence in a pop here. But we still got about a minute 15 for it to prove it to us. And we know that's plenty of time for the market to do whatever it wants. Yeah, Microsoft though, new low a day. Meta's trying to push back higher. Microsoft just got a lot of strength to the downside right now though. If Microsoft could pop back up, that's going to help us pop. Apple pushing back green on this 5-minute. 45 seconds left, guys. Again, though, not looking too confident to the bulls because we are running out of time on this 5. 30 seconds. What time is it? We got news at 10? Seven seconds. Again, though, not enough time for us to pump right now. Let's see. But we do have 5 minutes till not only this candle closes, but till we have news. Oh, what a drop. See if we could catch this, guys. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, let's go, guys. Huge. Huge, 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 huge. It's just gonna wick right back up. I'm gonna look to scale out of some contracts down here. Out of a 2, holding 2. Yeah, this thing want to keep going? Nice, guys. Great shorts. Great shorts. Hey, look at that. Look at that. Alright, I'm gonna exit right there. Good stuff. Good stuff. Reason I got out is because we were at that strong key level. I am going to be deleting these zones, though. I'm leaving the key levels themselves up there in case we want to pull back, because that'll give us an area to enter. So sellers clearly have control today so far. Nice, nice. Look at that. Look at that. So I'm probably going to stay patient now. We got 3 minutes till this candle closes, and we have news at 10. So I really don't want to be in a trade when news comes because we could get a pop in the opposite direction. Play it safe. Play it safe. Always play it safe when it comes to trading, guys. No reason not to. Play it safe with the size you get in. Play it safe with your entries. Just gotta play it safe. Cool, calm, collective. Look at the VIX. VIX has been popping higher. Are we gonna get another drop here? Microsoft dropping. We might get a drop here. Considering grabbing some contracts. What time is it? What are we looking at? Yeah, we'll see. We shall see. We got about a minute 30 left in the 5 minute. I'm staying patient, guys. Stay patient. Grab your coffee, grab some water. Wait and wait and wait. I do like the 1 minute rejecting this trend line. But I don't like that. Again, we only have about a minute 15 left until the candle closes, plus news comes in. So I'm really just staying patient at this point.
Which news are you talking about, Kevin?
What was that? The news, what was it? Ironclad, what was the news we're getting today?
Is it the Michigan inflation?
Yeah, is that, what else was it, Ironclad? I think he had a few.
Yeah, it was Michigan sentiment, 1 year inflation, 5 year inflation, expectations and whatnot.
The Michigan ones.
That doesn't take a rocket scientist. Everything's more expensive.
Give me that push.
Let's see, let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see.
So riddle me this. UAW goes on strike and Ford stock starts going up.
Look at that push.
Alright,
Boom.
news time. Think we go higher. I don't know. Nah. I like the candle we just got based off of this key level. But again, I'm not counter trend trading. I'm not that crazy. Ooh. Ooh, alright. Maybe lightly. We'll go in ever so lightly because of that reaction ES just had. Oh no.
Oh, come on.
Dude, I love the market. It's so funny.
Let's go back to the open.
I know, right? Give us like a really strong pop. That'd be super fun. I got my finger on the reverse button. I did grab a long position. But I'm ready to go back short if this thing wants to rip to the downside. VIX trying to drop.
Yep, look at that drop in the VIX. Let's wait for the pump.
Do you watch VIX or VIX futures?
VIX futures VX.
VX, okay. I usually watch VIX. Tends to have smoother price action.
I average down. I'm getting
Yeah, it
my
looks
ass
like
kicked
sellers
right
are
now.
just trying to. Yeah, sellers are just gonna bring us down again. Got 320 left in this 5 minute.
Come
Looking
on.
like this is not gonna be a good trade, guys.
I wouldn't discount the bulls yet on this, at least back up to the open.
Nah, I don't know, man. There's another pop in VIX, but that hasn't really meant much lately. Need that pop ASAP. And if it don't happen, we're crapping. Got 220 in the 5 minute. Sellers are just pushing away, chugging along. Yeah, definitely probably going to reverse this for that push lower. I don't know, probably stop out. I'm going to stop out. Because this is still a news candle, still do whatever it wants. No way. Minute 40 left. ES looking strong. I'll try one more long here, but stop loss is at the low of this candle. And then I'm putting in my 10-minute rule. No trades for 2 more 5-minute candles. Because this thing has been chopping me up today, man. Oh, man, dude. This thing is just awful. Netflix making new low. Meta making new low. Microsoft's trying to go make that new low. Give me a pushback higher. Let me fill a short position. 47 seconds left in the 5-minute. VIX with a strong drop right there. The market's just not reacting the way it usually does to a strong VIX like that, though. Strong to the downside, I mean, by the way. Yeah, we're gonna go to lows. I gotta get out of that long. Oh, but the way that candle closed, no. Dude, I'm telling you, today's not my day right now. I gotta shake this off and get us some better trades, guys.
There we go. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
Let's make some money back.
There we go. Back to the open. Come on.
Yo, how far is back to the open? Isn't back to the open like a
45,
long way to go?
37. 45, 37 on ES.
I'm liking the key level we're
There
at
you
on
go.
NASDAQ.
There you go.
It's just keep failing. Sellers just keep stepping in, keep pushing us lower, keep pushing us lower. Yup. Oh man.
There we go. Come on.
But like, what are you're saying back to the open? You want it to come back to the open, but are we at any key levels that you're watching? Are we at any trend lines? Or are you just hoping it goes back to the open?
Well, I averaged down, so I am trying to take some more profit. But I'm like thinking of just cutting it right here, but I wanted us pushing to 45.37. That's the 200 on the RTH as well. So
Yeah,
those
I
are my
can't go
levels
long
there.
here. That's ridiculous to go long. Sellers are just so strong right now. I'm gonna flip it, go back short. And just lose both directions today. Holy moly. Yeah, give me a pop. Equities are dancing sideways too right now.
There we go. That's the pump right there, man. Go. Let's go. Yep.
Yeah, look at VIX trying to drop lower too. But whenever that happens, we're just keep pushing back lower on the stocks as well. I'm just not a big fan of the bulls right here. Nice, nice. Come on, push us lower, push us lower. Let's go see that 1 hour demand on NASDAQ. That's what I want right now. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. I'll make all of those losses right back. I'll grab some more shorts. Who likes short shorts? The market likes short shorts. Come on, Apple. Fail. Yeah. Oh man, it's chopping around everywhere, guys. Nice. Let's go. Bag right there. One more drop like that. Nice pop in the VIX. One more drop like that. I'll look to exit. Ten seconds left in the 5 minute. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Come on. Just stay pushing lower. Just stay pushing lower. It's gonna come right back up to that key level. I know it is. Come on, sellers. Don't mess around now. You've been here all morning. Yes, was failing to make a new low a day, though. Apple trying to make a new low a day. Come on, Apple. Microsoft sort of double bottoming right over here. Apple trying to make that low a day. Oh, this pullback, guys. Boo. Boo. What? What? Definitely letting this candle close. Looks like it wants to stop hunt though. ES trying to push lower. ES weaker than NASDAQ right now. Help bring NASDAQ lower. Apple trying to push higher. Microsoft's trying to push higher. Stop it, Microsoft. Staying in the short, not stopping out. ES looking weak. There we go, NASDAQ. Oh, NVIDIA new low today. Strong push lower on NVIDIA right now. There we go. I'm gonna look to scale out of a couple contracts. Oh, goodness. Nah, I'm waiting for this to close. We're either getting that 1 hour demand or we're not. And I'm gonna be in all my contracts if we're there. 2 minutes and 15 seconds on the 5 minute. ES pushing lower. Go make that new low a day, ES. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. So close to tick away. Come on, NASDAQ. Keep pushing lower. NASDAQ having trouble. Buyers are really holding here. But I still don't trust them. But they say buy when others are selling, sell when others are buying. But it's just, the market hasn't proved to me that it's reversing yet. Minute 20 left on the 5 minute. Red candle after red candle after red candle today. There we go. ES new low a day for a moment. Microsoft getting weak again. Apple getting weak again. "38 seconds on the 5 minute. Alright, getting another drop. 30 seconds. Sellers are still here. What time do we got? We got a new 15-minute candle coming up soon, too. Alright, alright. ES new low a day. NASDAQ new low a day. It's having trouble. There we go. There we go, there we go. Come on, give us that 1 hour demand zone. Sort of considering stopping out of my position here, because that's already about good 25 points from the entry. Hey, alright, alright. Alright, alright, sellers. That's cool. That's cool, that's cool. Okay. Okay. One more push? One more drop? I promise I'll stop out. Or scale out? I'll scale out of a couple.
I scalped my profit for the day. I'm good.
Hey, good job, Victoria. Awesome sauce.
Noise.
No, no, the Wick. Saint Wick, no. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What in the world? Some odd buying pressure just stepped in there. Oh yeah, Microsoft's trying to push higher. Microsoft engulfing. Oh, gross. It's turned into such a beautiful trade, turned into such a pullback. Nasty. I guess I should have been more aware that we were at the bottom of that 90-minute demand zone on ES. A lot of times at the bottom of zones we get types of moves like this where it was like a trap.
Do we need to be aware of news coming up now?
Do we have any more news? Ironclad, do you know if we got any more news?
Nope,
No.
that was
Alright.
it.
I know that
Nice
this looks like this was the news candle, the way this one reacted. My only other thought was, it's a new 15-minute candle. It needed some pullback too. Oh man, oh man. Oh man, oh man. Right up to that key level. Sort of considering adding to my position because of that key level. But we might be stop hunting. We might go and hit the top of this wick right here. Like right up there. Minute 20 left in the 5-minute. Staying so patient here. This candle will be the make or break. Do we stop out? Do we add to our position? Today has been rough for the buyers. It has not been the smoothest down move. Look at all these upper wicks. Been trying to trap everybody. Minute 15. I like that we're rejecting that key level at 15,500. But we got 30 seconds left in the 5-minute. I'm not adding to my position without proper confirmation. Ten seconds left. Oh man, our buyer's gonna pump it. 3, 2, 1. Part of me wants to start to scale out here because it does look like we might want to reverse. Keeping an eye on VIX. VIX has been near high of days. If we get Apple and Meta and Microsoft to reject, but Microsoft's pushing strong right now. Yeah, this might turn into a break-even trade. Really got to see how this plays out. Not adding to it right now. Already in 6 contracts. Do want sellers to take control here. We got a little less than 4 minutes on the 5-minute. Really staying patient here, guys. Need Microsoft to start selling off. Need these equities to stay weak. Microsoft just going higher. Yeah, this thing's gonna go stop hunt real quick. Yup. When I say stop hunt, I mean it sees this previous high as where people probably have their stops, their stop losses, so boom, it just stopped people out. Now if we start rejecting again, then I'll add to my position. Microsoft just too strong, Apple too strong, what is going on there? If I could see Microsoft and Apple start to reject, I'll add to my NQ position. Why is Ford up? I believe it had news. No, Jeremy was talking about that in the Discord earlier. Come on, Microsoft, sell off. Yeah, we're having trouble up here. Trouble in paradise. Oh man, dude, that's tough. That's tough. That was such a good trade we had on that short position, and then it just reversed right up on us. VIX pushing lower. Yeah, look at that grind. Oh man, guys, Apple pushing higher, Microsoft pushing higher. See if Microsoft wants to reject though. Oh, let me check on Ford, why Ford was going up. UAW workers going on strike before going up, shorts covering maybe. Yeah, it could be shorts covering, it could be a number of things, right? So if they're going on strike, they're not going to be getting paid. So they're going to be, quote unquote, I guess, saving money in a way, in that sense. It all depends on the more internals of the company. If we push back below that key level, 15,500, I'm going to add to this position. Microsoft is trying to wick lower. There we go, Microsoft. I like that wick on Microsoft. I'm gonna let this candle close. And I'm mainly letting this candle close for Microsoft. Microsoft seems to be the leader today for NASDAQ. Yeah, that's a nice candle close on Microsoft. And on NQ. I'm putting another sell order right at the bottom of this candle right here. Alright, so added to my position. Staying patient though, because we are wicking around. Buyers are trying to step in. Ooh, it hit that setup and then it reversed. Oh, that's right, it's quad witching week. Oh, that's why we're chopping. That's why we're dropping and chopping. We're probably just gonna chop around the rest of the day. Come on, give us a dump. Get dumped.
What is it again? Quad what?
Quad witching week. It's a strong week. It's the third. What is it? It's the third week of every month where a bunch of options are expiring. And it causes a lot of chop in the market because the market wants those options to expire worthless.
It's every
What was that?
third Friday of the month.
I thought so. I thought it was the third Thursday, but third Friday sounds more right. Let me look into it real quick. Pull up old handy dandy Google. All right. Let's see. Bears are trying again. Bears are trying again.
Good morning, guys.
Yo, morning, Ricardo. What's going on?
Nothing, man. I made my profits for the day already.
Hey, good stuff, bro. Good stuff. I'm gonna look to scale out of a couple contracts, right? Ooh, all right. All right. Yeah, like right there. I'll scale out of a couple. Maybe I'll scale out of 3. In case we don't want to make a new low a day. $2.14 left in the 5-minute. I did like that candle structure. To the downside if anybody's just tuning in. But not a fan of the wicks. Buyers keep stepping in. Need Microsoft to start pushing lower, Apple to start pushing lower. These are things that help us go lower on NASDAQ, on ES. I'm keep moving away my take profit because it keeps looking like it wants to break new lows. I'm trying to let this winner run. It's about 20 points. How much time we got? 1:20 left in this 5-minute. VIX still pushing green. Again, though, not a fan of the wick we're getting right here. 45 seconds left. Yeah, it's having trouble. Sellers are having trouble right now. Microsoft looks like it wants to go push higher again. Not a fan, guys. Really not a fan for sellers to continue here. Damn, guys. That's tough. That is tough. Very unfortunate. Get one more dip and I'm just gonna exit my full position. Oh, okay. It's like I don't want to. I want to go higher. Got my finger on the reverse button. I'm ready. Whatever direction it goes, I'm ready to scalp it. I'm ready to take it. Already in a short position. Microsoft looking like it does want to go higher. I need strong selling pressure on Microsoft. Apple has it right now. Microsofts keep bouncing. Buyers are keep stepping into Microsoft over here. I'm going to scale out of some of my contracts. Probably should. Definitely should. Oh. Oh, stopped out at 3. Alright. Holding 5. VIX new high a day. See if ESNQ want to follow suit for new low a day. Part of me wants to cut my position here because every time we try to break lows, we end up wicking right back up. Rather take my profit and be good, you know what I'm saying? Let's see. Microsoft did get some selling pressure. So did Apple, but they are both wicking right now. Shocker. If it gives me one more dip, I'm gonna exit this position, guys, because not looking good. Buyers keep stepping in. Sort of considering reversing right here, because that was a big liquidity grab too. So I'm really just staying patient right now, guys. Patience is key, and this is a very choppy market. Yeah, glad I scaled out of some, but we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, look at that. Still near this key level though. Oh, yep, pop. Microsoft and Apple looking pretty strong. Meta, Tesla strong. Yeah, I'm gonna probably reverse this at some point. Come on, give us a big rejection. Big ol' rejection. Market's like, nah, I don't wanna. Don't want to. Don't want to go up, don't want to go down. Want to chop left and right. If VIX looks like it wants to push lower, usually means we're going to push higher on ESNQ. Oh, good. Staying patient right here. Buyers and sellers are at a disagreement. They cannot agree on price. Bouncing up and down. Hindsight, should have exited my trade in full down here. Did not. That's okay. We're still just chilling. Now the candle structure we just got there, it doesn't make me feel bullish. It sort of makes me feel like we are going to fail. So I'm still just staying patient right now, guys. We might get a pop first, but gotta see. I'm gonna add a couple contracts to the short side. Because Microsoft looks weak now, so does Apple. And if we do get a drop, I'm scalping it, guys. We're scalping right now. We're scalpers. Gotta always be able to adjust to the market conditions. Think of all the shorts that the market just stopped out. Think of all the buyers that are stepping in thinking that we're gonna go higher. See if we get a strong push. I want 10 points on NQ right now. That's what I'm looking for. There's a big dramatic drop. Microsoft's dropping on this candle so far, looking like it wants to wake back up. Alright, here we go, NASDAQ. Apple weakness too. Microsoft weakness, I like it. Really looking for a scalp here. Want 5 more points on NASDAQ. Does not look like it wants to give it to us. Damn, guys, damn. Market is just something today. Yep, look at Microsoft trying to pop back higher. Apple trying to pop back higher. Okay, one more push. Ah, wrong direction. Yeah, I'm going to look for a reverse on this trade. But let's see. Okay, interesting. Still in it. Probably not going to reverse, probably just going to stop it. Every time we push lower, every push lower is met with buying pressure. Every push higher is met with selling pressure. Just chop central right now. Not a market you would want to get into any trades right now. Would want to stay patient. If you're already in a trade, just manage it. Like I'm already in the short position, I'm just managing it. This is an ugly market right now, guys. It gave us that nice drop in the morning, and now it's just UGLY. It was one sweet drop. That's all we ask for here. Appreciate that. Got you, Paul. Got you. Come on, one drop. And Discord, Discord, YouTube, don't forget, I believe this is going to be the last day we go live for free for YouTube, so make sure you guys join our community. Go to bullishbears.com and click join. You get access to the Bullish Bears courses, along with our live streams. We go live Monday through Friday for our community. Alright, I'm going to look to scale out of some of my position if we get one more drop. Just gonna pop. I don't think we're gonna drop. I hope I'm wrong because I'm in a short position, but the way the market's been fluctuating, I just don't see it happening. One strong drop. That's all it takes. Alright, gonna scale out of a couple contracts right there, obviously because we're chopping around. Still holding about 5. If we get one more drop from here, that will be very clean. Nice, let's go. Just gotta stay cool, calm, collected with the market. No reason to be antsy, no reason to be on the edge of your seat. Cool, calm, collective. Yeah, we're gonna bounce wick right back up. See that, guys? All these lower wicks, buyers keep stepping in. Give me one more drop, one more strong drop. Let's stop hunting the people down here now, right? That's what I'm looking for. I'll look to get out of 3 contracts at that point. Yep, sellers are having problems. A bit under 3 minutes on the 5-minute right here. I'm gonna scale out of 2 contracts on that drop. If it'll let me. Give me one more push. Oh, dude, it's wicking. Oh, it just wicked my exit. Alright, come on, one more drop. Yo, that's crazy. Does not want to give it to us. 2:30 left on the 5-minute. Sellers are trying hard to step in here. Buyers are not giving up easily. Microsoft trying to push green. Now Microsoft trying to push red. Very back and forth. Gonna scale out of 2 contracts right there on that drop. Still holding 3. Alright. There we go. Nice drop right there. Going to look to exit my remainder. I want to let this
All the
winner
money
run,
today
to
is
be
on
honest.
oil, man.
What's up?
All the money today is on oil. It's almost
Ah.
hitting 91. It went up all the way to 91.15.
Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna look to scale out of my position completely. On one more drop. Got 1:30 left in the 5-minute. VIX playing around with new high a day. NQ playing around with new low a day. Same with the ES. Entries on these shorts was right at this key level up here. See, if I want to play it safe, I would exit my position right now. But because I already scaled out of some, I want to try to let this winner run, right? So I'm sort of really staying patient. Got 50 seconds left. Nice. Alright, I'm going to scale out. I'm going to get out right there. All out of my position right there, guys. Great drop. Good stuff. Made back. I know me personally, guys, I took like a couple of bad losses, right? Sort of got caught up in this chop up here. With that one drop, that one good trade, I made back what I lost on 2 or 3 bad trades. So that's what it's all about, is knowing how to really let your winners run and really cut your losses short. Because once you're able to cut your losses short and let your winners run, you should be able to lose 2 or 3 trades, then win 1, and have that one winner bring you either back to break even or back to green. It's all about risk management and discipline. Does look like we want to push lower here. I'm not taking any more trades. That was insane. That was crazy. YouTube also, don't forget, I mentioned earlier, I'm sure there's a new bundle of you guys in here now. We have a webinar if you guys ever want to trade Apex Funding Trader. Oh, also about that, by the way, another big announcement to the Discord community too. So I spoke to Apex. Apex has a show on Benzinga called The Bacon Trader, and I spoke to them, and I got myself on that show, not this coming Monday, but in 2 Mondays, I'll be on the Bacon Trader show, which is streamed on Benzinga's YouTube Live, which is like super awesome. I'm going to be promoting Bullish Bears, and what's great is when the show's over, it's about a 30-minute episode, they have a giveaway, and you guys could win evaluation accounts for free, which is like super, super cool. So make sure you guys tune in for that.
Nice.
Right? Isn't that dope? I was excited because they were like, oh, you'll be on Benzinga. I'm like, oh, let's get it. And then they were like, but we're also giving away some accounts. And I was like, oh, that's awesome. They do 3 giveaways, so everybody has a chance. Yo, do we want to go lower from here? Someone tell me don't do it.
Can you share the
And
details
famous.
of the webinar?
Don't do it.
Don't take the trade. Alright, I won't. I'll stay good. This was a good week overall. Ah, see, we are going lower. We want that 1 hour demand. But whatever. But
Kevin,
yeah,
can you hear me?
what was that?
Ah, cool. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you. Sorry, you kept getting interrupted. My bad about that.
You let us know about the details about the webinar with Benzinga.
Yeah, so there's no webinar with Benzinga. That part is going to be a show. It's like, so Apex Trader, they have a series called The Bacon Trader, where they normally will interview people that have gotten big payouts recently. But when I was in contact with the guy Cameron about getting Bullish Bears some type of sponsorship, some type of deal with them, partnership with them, he said, we have this show on Benzinga called The Bacon Trader. If you want to get on there, I could definitely work that out. So
Trader
now,
bacon? Or
what was that?
I cannot find it. How do you call it? Bacon
It's-
trade?
Look up the bacon. I'm pretty sure.
I had the trader bacon.
Is that what it is? The trader bacon?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. The trader bacon. Oh, we are going lower. Trader
Oh.
bacon. Trader bacon. Yeah, Trader Bacon Show is what it's called. Show you guys. So it's pretty cool. They do it every Monday. Gets about 1,000 or so views. And when I do it, I'm gonna have up top is gonna be the @BullishBears, and we'll be promoting Bullish Bears YouTube as well. And yeah, it's gonna be dope. Apex is a great company. They have the funded accounts and stuff, evaluation accounts. We're gonna go over during the show. He asks me questions. How is my trading? What do I do? I'm gonna talk about how much, how I trade with Apex. I trade my real account. I did get so Apex Trader, the funded part of it, has been around for almost 2 years now, and I got started with it almost 2 years ago. So I was sort of there at the beginning, back when they had like you keep the 10K that you make. Now it's you keep the first 20K that you make. After that, it's a 90-10 split, which is still a fantastic split, like really great. But I'm gonna go on and talk to them a little bit, explain my journey, where I got started, how I got started, and I feel like that's good for you guys to tune in and watch too. So you guys sort of get a feel for, who I am as a person, not just as a trader, how I started trading, why I started trading, the journey I took, where I started, what I started doing, how I learned what I learned, and what it took. Because, it's not easy. It's not easy at all.
Very nice. I'll be looking forward to seeing that.
Awesome, man. Awesome. And yeah, make sure you guys are there too. It's going to be Monday at 11. So
25th of September?
I believe, let me make sure. I think the 25th? Yeah, the 25th. Yom Kippur for all of my Jewish homies. Damn, that has been quite the push lower. I do think we go lower here, but it's just chopping around. I don't want to touch it. But yeah, so Trader Bacon Show, September 25th, 11 a.m. And make sure you guys tune in, and there will be a link for you guys to fill out to potentially win a free Apex account. So that's super, super cool for you guys. And what else? And the Bullish Bears discount still works. They're running the 80% off for another 2 weeks. So if you use Bullish Bears as your discount code, you save 80% off of your evaluation account. And with that code, it will always give you the most up-to-date sale that they have. Oh, there's that 1 hour demand. Damn, Ricardo, you had to tell me not to take that trade. No, I'm just kidding, man. Nah, you were listening to me. I'm just kidding with you, bro.
I wish I took the advice.
Bro, me too. Look at this. Now we're getting the sell off. Oh man. Talk
Yeah,
about
now it's happening, but it's I don't know.
patience.
It's too low, man.
Market pays us with patience. Ah, I got out right over here. It's another
alright.
30 points. That's alright. That's alright. You gotta shake it off. Still green on the day. Very green on the week. It's a cool, calm collective. Near a strong area of interest. We sold off pretty strong today. So that sell off since market opened. It's about 100 and... Well, now it's about 170 points. 175 right there. That is something, guys. So yeah, those are the announcements. Webinar also this Saturday. So tomorrow I have Cameron, who is an operations manager with Apex. He's going to be joining us and he'll be hosting the webinar with me. And he's just going to be basically going over what Apex is, how you guys can benefit from it, and take some Q&A. So it's going to be cool. Guys, something I want to mention about when we make our supply zones, our demand zones, there are areas where we are higher probability of having a reversal. There are areas where buyers stepped in at some point and pushed us higher with strength, areas where sellers stepped in and pushed us lower with strength. And you know, they don't always work out, obviously. But you could use them in a sense of not only just having areas to buy and sell, but you could use them to sort of understand where is that market strength, where is that market weakness, and, you know, like, are we breaking demand zones, which means, okay, we're breaking demand zones, selling pressure is very strong here, we're going to be breaking demand zones, we're pushing slower, sellers are strong, breaking demand zones, I'm not going to play any longs, I'm going to be patient and only play to the downside. Vice versa for supply zones, right? If we're in a bull market and every time we come up to a supply zone, we sort of hesitate around it, then we break through, then that's a sign that, okay, we have been more bullish. So it's all about understanding the zones, reading market structure. Like, let's check out the hourly real quick. Look how strong the hourly's been selling off. Sell off, sell off, sell off. You know, it's just so important. We are near yesterday's lows. Yup. Lows right down here. Yeah, a lot of selling pressure. 30 seconds left in this 5-minute. Gonna be considering scalping the next 5-minute candle for another short entry. But that was great drop. So you see, guys, how I had the right idea. This whole time I was short. I scaled out down here because of the wicks that I saw, and I wanted to lock in those gains. But I should have really remembered, okay, no, my trade plan was, the entry was this green candle right here. My stop loss should have been this green candle, and my target should have been either the demand or this area of interest. And I should have left it at that. I should not have stopped out sooner. I did. It's something I'm going to personally journal and personally learn from. It's all about learning, guys. Experienced traders, new traders, everybody's got to take those steps to learning. Everybody's got to have a good trading journal to understand what we could improve, what is going well for us, and so on. Sorry I got here late today. I had a wonderful morning walk and hung out at the dive shop. Nice, man. Nice, Cam. What's going on, Cam? So tomorrow the Apex webinar is going to be at 6 p.m. Eastern, just like we used to always have those webinars on Saturdays. So it's going to be tomorrow at 6. And Monday, guys, Monday I'm dropping a video called it's a volume profile video, and it's gonna be a good one because it goes over how to find key levels and ranges, support, resistance, all that stuff with volume profile. And there's two types of volume profile. There's session volume profile and range volume profile, and I'm going to be covering both of them. I want to let this candle close on NASDAQ, see if it wants to give us a drop, a basing candle, and then another drop. VIX is pushing higher. Sort of want to grab a short right here. Nope. Yep, we're waiting. Waiting. Yeah, kicking myself a little bit for getting out of that position, but again, it happens. I was in some red today because of all this chop. I made it back, which is great. That's what we got to focus on, is improvement, doing better. All right, Apple's trying to sell off, Microsoft's trying to push higher. 215 in this 5 minute, VIX pushing lower, higher. I want one more little push higher on NASDAQ and I'll grab a short position. But we still got 2 minutes left. I sort of want to wait till we got like 30 seconds left. Nope, yep, ES making lows. I'm sure you guys noticed I've been more of a fan of trading NASDAQ lately. Just sort of adjusting to the market. I do like its ranges a bit more. Higher ATR, nicer range on it. ES is nice too. But NASDAQ's been more my cup of tea. What's this wick up here? It's 44, about 10 points away. If we could get back up there, I'm going to grab a short position. Apple selling lower. Microsoft's getting weak. We might get a push lower right here. Staying patient though. I don't want to. If we sell the lows right here, there's a chance it pushes back higher. We don't want to sell the lows and buy the highs. Does look like it wants to continue, but we're just staying patient. 45 seconds left. Now, if we get a green candle here, I'll be looking for a drop, base drop. So look for an entry around here. Stop loss at the top. Target somewhere around like here. Does not look like we're going to get that. Looks like it just wants to continue. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Coulda got in on that wick up here. Did not. Didn't trust it. Now I am still expecting some pullback. See if we get a good entry somewhere. Nope, it's going to want to keep pushing lower. Keep chugging along lower. Come on, one little pullback. The VIX is super strong though. I'm looking at Microsoft, I'm looking at Apple. These are stocks I look for. It wants to range, bears too strong. Yeah, bears are strong right now, Brian, absolutely. Looking for a pullback. I like this pullback so far. But again, getting in here, we're selling the bottom. Should have held this trade, but that's okay. We'll try one more, but really staying patient. Got 3:30 left in the 5 minute. Apple trying to push back higher. Microsoft sort of chopping around. Did make a higher low on the 5 minute. But it does look weak. Yes, new low a day. Try a NASDAQ short here. And just stay patient. Much rather have us get a nice other pullback and then enter, but we're already in. Time is, we got 2:30 left in the 5 minute. I'll stick around for about 10 more minutes, guys. Just sort of let this trade play out. Apple trying to push higher, Microsoft trying to push lower. I want NASDAQ to give us another push higher here. I do want this 5 minute to close with a long upper wick and a small green body. That's what I'm looking for a drop, base drop candle formation. Need one more pop, NASDAQ, one more pop. Microsoft's really trying to make that new low a day. There's that pop on NASDAQ I was looking for. There we go. There we go. Give me a strong pop. Yeah, just like that. Now I'm going to grab a short position up here. And now I won't add until we get a candle closure. $50 in the 5 minute. ES is staying red, NASDAQ sort of green. Strong pop on NASDAQ right there. Stop hunting. 30 seconds left. Fix new high a day. Microsoft trying to doji right now. Apple trying to push higher. Looks like we are going to get that candle formation I was looking for. Small green body, long upper wick. 15 seconds left. See if it gives us a little push higher. We'll add a couple more contracts and just keep the stop loss very tight. Because now we're in an area of interest and a demand zone. So this is a tough spot because now also yesterday's lows, if we stay above it, we're going to be creating a higher low, which is bullish. There we go. Oh, up and down, choppy choppy. Yeah, not a fan of that already. Just noticing that we're not at yesterday's lows yet makes me think there's a chance of a reversal here. But again, I'm really just staying patient right now. I'm in this short position. I need Apple to start selling off. Microsoft's already weak. Apple's trying to push higher. Nvidia's pushing lower. Tesla's rejecting near VWAP. Good chance it stops me out of this trade. If it happens, it happens. Yeah, looking like buyers want to step in here and bring us higher. Really just staying patient, guys. Yeah. Let's see.
I'm off, guys. Have a good weekend.
Have a good weekend, Thomas. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow to the webinar.
Yeah, will it be recorded?
Yes, sir.
I
Absolutely.
think I'm gonna watch it afterwards.
For sure, for sure.
Cool. Thanks for the reminder.
No
Cheers. Bye.
problem. Cheers, man. Have a good weekend. Come on, sellers. You know you want another leg down. Microsoft pushing lower. Microsoft bouncing around. Having trouble pushing lower. Not a fan of that. Oh yeah, this is gonna stop me out for sure. Got 2:15 left on the 5-minute. Yeah, look at those buyers, guys. Not reversing this trade though. Oh man. Oh man. Nasdaq's hurting my feelings right now. Got a minute 46 left. Sort of, if we add this bear pole, this could sort of be a bear flag before it push lower. So again, I'm not stopping out yet. I'm understanding my risk on this trade. I'm understanding my reward. I'm just staying patient. It's gonna say if it pushes higher, probably stop me out, but it does look like it wants to push higher. Absolutely, Phoenix. And YouTube guys, Phoenix from YouTube says hello and he appreciates all of us here. Phoenix, you gotta join our community, man. BullishBears.com. We got monthly, yearly, lifetime subscriptions, and we do have a payment plan on the lifetime as well. Because don't forget YouTube, guys. We're probably going to stop going live on YouTube soon. No, buyers, stop it. Ugh, gross. $20 seconds left. Microsoft trying to push higher. Apple trying to push higher. Still in the short. Not stopped out yet. Not trusting the longs. Every time we look like we want to go back higher, we end up failing. That's one of the reasons I'm not stopping out of this long position. If Apple could start selling off here, that'd be great. Does not look like it wants to. Tesla's strong. Oh, not a fan of that at all. Oh yeah. Nope. No sir. Still could be a flag though. If it starts pushing lower, I'm gonna grab another short position up here. Oh god. Oh goodness. I'll grab one more up here. But keeping my stop tight now. Microsoft's looking strong. Apple. Oh, Netflix with a drop. How are equities doing in general? Let's see. Meta pretty weak. Tesla's pretty strong. Probably gonna stop out of this trade, guys. Really want to see sellers step in here, though. Gotta remember, the market needs liquidity. After this drop, the market needs to grab some liquidity. And if it wants another drop, it definitely needs to grab liquidity. And liquidity is when it goes in the other direction, stops people out, or chops around, consolidates for a while, chops people out as well. Yeah, buyers keep stepping in. Apple looking a little weak here. Microsoft not much strength to the upside, but does have upside potential. Microsoft too also created a higher low. So, you know, if we do reverse here, would not be surprised. $2.15 left in the 5-minute. Come on, sellers. Come on, bears. Netflix new low a day. Apple rejecting. Microsoft rejecting. That's what I want to see. Alright. Come on, bad news bears. Let's take it home. They're like, yeah, we'll take you home, alright. Apple's trying to push lower. Microsoft trying to push lower. Netflix new low a day. Meta rejecting. Every time we get a drop, it does have strength. So that's what I'm looking for right now. Got 1:20 left in the 5-minute. Really staying super patient right now. Avoid buyer seller remorse. A green day is a green day. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Need this trade to push green for me to continue that green streak. We got about a minute left in the 5-minute. I do think we chop around on this. I think this candle wants to close green before we push lower. Whoa, Netflix, big wick. Big wick on Netflix, pushing higher. But Microsoft still trying to push lower. Apple sort of a doji. Meta rejecting, and Tesla's red. So again, I'm staying patient on this trade. I'm in a short position on NASDAQ. 20 seconds left in the 5-minute. I could close out here and be green on the day still too. But I do think sellers will want to step in for another leg down. Oh, that wicked right off my entry. That was weird. Yeah, not a big fan. Not a big fan, guys. Need Microsoft, need Meta, need these stocks to start pushing lower too again. Once those could start selling, we are going to get another leg. If they do not, there's a good chance we're going to chop around. There we go, ES. Come on, NQ, follow suit. Follow through. Let's go, let's go. Sellers keep trying. Buyers are not giving up without a fight. Yeah, buyers ain't giving it up, guys. Microsoft's trying to push. Microsoft's trying to make new low day. It's failing. Wicking around. Apple trying to push higher. Not a fan of the bear positions here. Definitely considering stopping out, calling it a day there. Just to play it safe. Yeah. Let's see. I'll let you guys know. Keep you posted. Got about 3 minutes in the 5 minute. Let's see if it wants to give us a nice push lower. Buyers keep stepping in. Looks like it does want to push back higher. There we go, market. Prove me wrong. Let's get another push lower. It's like, nope, don't want to. Yeah, probably gonna stop out of this. Really got to see what we're doing up here. Apple trying to push higher and Microsoft trying to push lower, but it is a doji right now. Need Meta to start selling off as well. Let you guys know if Microsoft pushes green. Apple with some rejection. There we go, Microsoft. Microsoft trying to push lower. There we go, Microsoft. Come on, Meta, push lower. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Go, go, go. Need Apple to start giving up. Need Microsoft to start giving up. There we go, Microsoft pushing lower. I'm gaining a bit more confidence in this trade right now. Wicking around. Really wicking around right now. There we go. Whoa, wicking Wick City right now. I'm gonna look to scale out of a couple contracts because this is just ridiculous. What do we got? Minute 30 left on the 5 minute. Yeah. We shall see. We shall see. I have a buy order right at the bottom of this wick right here. Netflix new low a day. Microsoft's new low a day. Meta looking like it wants to reject. Alright, if these things do stay weak, I do think we might get another push lower. But if they don't, there's a good chance we're just going to pop and reverse here. Trap a bunch of sellers. $50 seconds in the 5 minute. Crucial candle. I'm going to, part of me's like, play it safe and just exit the position. Another part of me's like, nah, stay patient. You're in this short. Let's try to ride it. Apple, come on, Apple, push lower. Microsoft's pushing lower. Microsoft's trying to make a new low a day. Gonna scale out of some contracts right there. Right there, right there. Give me one more little drop. Let me scale out. Alright, out of a couple contracts. Still holding 4. 5 seconds in the 5 minute. Alright, I'll stick around another little bit till I exit this trade, guys. Not a fan of this. I'm going to look to exit soon. Just due to the fact that VIX is not making a new high a day at the moment. There we go. Apple looks like it just made a bull flag, though. Not a fan of that. Again, guys, just got to look at all the equities. Know what the equities are doing. Is it in your favor? Is it not? Microsoft's sort of wicking around new low a day. Bears have had control. I want to be in it for the bear move lower. There we go. Gives me one strong push, I'm out. One strong push. There we go, guys. There we go. Good stuff. Alright, I am closing 2 more contracts. Alright, out of 2 more. Still holding 2. Want to get one more push. Nice. Look at that, guys. Huge, huge plays. Great trades today. Definitely had to make up for some losses we took, but that's alright. There we go. Alright, I'm all out of that trade. See, that's why I stuck around, guys. I was down like 400 today. Just pulled that back up to 2. Up 2. So it's just about patience, discipline. Have your buyers, have your wins outweigh your losses, and just don't be sitting there hitting that reverse button over and over, because that's not a good look. It does not work out well. Alright guys, don't forget YouTube, join into our webinar tomorrow, 6 p.m. Eastern. We're having Apex come join us. It's going to be a really great webinar. And Monday, going to have a new volume profile video up. Make sure you guys watch that, drop a like on it. It's going to be a good one as well. So there's a lot going on this weekend, a lot coming up in this next few weeks. I will be on Benzinga for Apex's show, The Bacon Trader. Or Trader Bacon, whatever. Something with bacon and something with Trader. But it's going to be a good one. Got a lot of good stuff in store for you guys. Appreciate you all for tuning in. YouTube, I'm wrapping it up there. Don't forget to join our community. We go live for our members Monday through Friday and give a bunch of good lessons, a bunch of good videos. Take care, YouTube.